Hey there, it's me, Ian, your Instant Access trainer. Welcome back. This video is all about scheduling patient appointments. Before we begin, this video assumes your practice is signed up for Instant Access. If it isn't, pause here and watch the training video Getting Started with Instant Access. Now today we'll cover how to correspond with patients and set appointments using Instant Access. Let's take a look at Step 1, Receiving and Answering Patient Messages. Open up a new window or tab in your preferred or practice-approved web browser. Your practice might use Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome. Now, is it your first time logging in? If so, check your practice email for a welcome message from Instant Access. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account and create a password. If you don't see a welcome email, you'll need to ask your practice manager to create an Instant Access account for you. If it's not your first time logging in, type app.myinstantaccess.com into your address bar. Hit the Return or Enter key. Go ahead and log in using your email address and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Instant Access dashboard. By the way, if it's your first time logging in, your browser will ask for permission to send you notifications. Be sure to click Accept, OK, or Allow. Notifications ensure you'll never miss a new patient message. Now, on the left-hand menu, find and click the Messages option. A new column appears, also labeled Messages. And here you are. Welcome to your practice's Instant Access Scheduling Center. In this area, you can view new incoming patient text messages, designated by a blue dot, as well as continue conversations with patients you've already started corresponding with. For starters, let's answer a new message. Notice, if we click any conversation with a blue dot, three things happen. First, the dot turns yellow. A yellow dot indicates this patient message has been assigned to a scheduler. Second, a headset icon and scheduler name appear. The headset label indicates the patient has been assigned to a specific scheduler. Finally, the conversation window opens and you're free to begin sending the patient messages. It's easy to chat with patients. Just click into the text field, type your message, then hit the Return or Enter key. Or click the Send Message icon. You can also add attachments, such as patient forms and notices, using the paperclip icon. Notice after you hit Send, the yellow dot turns green. A green dot means you, the scheduler, responded most recently and are now waiting on the patient. By the way, patients have roughly the same messaging functionality you do. So, it's perfectly fine and HIPAA compliant to ask patients to send scanned paperwork, state identification, insurance cards, and more using Instant Access. Okay, let's say you've just wrapped up a chat thread and helped the patient find an appointment time. Now what? Whenever you're finished chatting with a patient, it's time to archive the thread. With the message thread open, find the Archive icon. That's the one in the top right of the conversation that kind of looks like a box. Give it a click. Now, a pop-up modal appears labeled Archive Thread. As you can see, you can archive a patient thread for any number of reasons. Select the one that most closely matches the result of your conversation with the patient. If that result is setting an appointment, choose the second option, Schedule Office Visit, Procedure, or Surgery. When you select that option, a new area appears labeled Schedule Information. Here, you'll fill out the patient's appointment info completely, including location, date and time, visit type, and any comments for the provider. When finished, click OK. Now, the conversation is archived. The patient has automatically received a confirmation of the appointment. You can retrieve the conversation at any time by clicking the Archived label in the Messages column. By the way, while Instant Access is built to be HIPAA compliant, it's ultimately up to you to protect patient data and information. Never share your login credentials with anyone. Likewise, never log in on a public or unsecured network. Be sure to protect your Instant Access account with the same kind of diligence you use for other patient forms and history. That's all there is to it. Be sure to keep your browser open and stay logged in to Instant Access throughout your shift so you're always ready to receive and respond to new patient text messages. For more setup tips, including quick start tips that will allow you to better assess the value of Instant Access during your trial period, visit myinstantaccess.com/quickstart. You can also visit myinstantaccess.com 24 hours a day to access free patient marketing resources like printable flyers, reception room posters, referral cards, social media posts, website banners, printer order forms, and more. Thanks for watching.